Second problem, an isosceles triangle ABC is inscribed in a circle with AB is equals to AC. Okay, show that the altitude from A to BC passes through the center of the circle. We need to show that the altitude from A to BC passes through the center of the circle. Okay, first I am going to write down what is given. So they have given triangle ABC is inscribed in a circle and AB is equals to AC. We will write that. So what we said, AB is equals to AC. When two sides of a triangle are equal, then we say that is isosceles triangle. And what is the base here? Base is BC. Here we will take AD as the altitude from A to BC. Then AD is perpendicular to BC. Now with this we can see that two triangles, triangle ABD and triangle ACD. So let us take in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. In these two triangles we can see that AB is equals to AC, which is already given. So let us write down AB is equals to AC. This is given. And for these two triangles, what is common? This side, that is AD, is common. So AD is equals to AD, which is common in both the triangles. Okay, and angle ADB, this angle, and angle ADC, these both are 90 degrees. So we can say these are equal. So angle ADB is equals to angle ADC, each 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees because AD is perpendicular to BC. So therefore the triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. This is why, because of these three things, RHS. One is right angle and the other one is hypotenuse and side. So by RHS congruency. Okay, so if the two triangles are congruent, we can say that their corresponding parts are equal. So what we can say about BD and CD, these two are equal because of corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. When this BD and DC are equal, that means the point D is dividing this BC into two equal parts. That means AD is bisecting the BC. So AD is a bisector of BC. So AD is perpendicular to BC and also bisects BC. So AD is the perpendicular bisector of the chord BC. So let's write that. So therefore AD passes through the center. So therefore we can say that so it passes through the center. Hence altitude from A to BC passes through the center of the circle. So we are going to write down the same sentence of the question. From A to BC passes through the center of the circle.